channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make watermelon, strawberry, ginger drink that will help to lower your blood pressure and keep you hydrated. So stay tuned. I'll be making use of watermelon. So I'm going to cut the watermelon into smaller pieces. For this drink, I'll be making use of ginger, which I've already peeled. I'll be using a grater to grate the ginger into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to make use of lemon, which I've already cut. So I'm going to remove the lemon seed, then squeeze to get the lemon juice. When I'm done squeezing the lemon, I'm going to add the grated ginger, add the watermelon. I'll add strawberries. Feel free to use frozen or fresh strawberry. Then I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I'll pour into a jar. Then continue the same process until I'm done blending. Finally, the watermelon strawberry drink is ready. This drink is so refreshing. Drinking this will help to keep you hydrated, lower your blood pressure, improve your heart health, relieve muscle soreness, improve digestion, and it is also good for your skin and hair. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.